So we have a lot of clients that are looking to renew policies, and they call us for advice. They had a great experience with us, and I do have some great experience dealing with insurance agents, and I have a lot of friends that are insurance agents. So I'm going to give you some key things that I highly recommend you take to heart when you're looking and shopping policies. One is you want to try to find a policy that is going to stick with the 1% deductibles, and those are getting very rare because most of the insurance companies in the DFW area are now going to 2% deductibles. So if you can stay with an insurance company that's going to offer you a 1%, it's huge. If you take the average house now between $500,000 and $700,000, you're talking a $5,000 to $7,000 deductible. When you go to 2%, you're looking at $10,000 to $14,000. That's a huge check you're going to have to write if there were a claim. Second, people are very price conscious right now because premiums for homeowners insurance are they're astronomical now. So people are really shopping around trying to get a great price, and so their agent that they're with might say $3,000-$4,000, and then all of a sudden they get this low bid for a policy. I want to advise you to really read into the details, because what happens is some of these newer agents in the industry trying to get their teeth into the industry, cutting their teeth and getting clients, they're gutting policies and they're selling people policies that are not covering every asset of the roof. And one thing that we'll see is a policy that has an ACV policy. And you do not want that. I talked about that in the past. An ACV policy is an actual cash value policy, and an actual cash value policy will only pay you the value of the roof at that time, and you will not get depreciation. So if you had a $25,000 claim, they took $5,000 out for a deductible, that leaves you $20,000, and then they said depreciate the roof $10,000, that only leaves you $10,000 left. And on a $25,000 claim, you would only be paid $10,000. So do not get a policy that has ACV policy. It will really hurt you. Finally, I would recommend trying to find an agent that's an independent agent that can shop around for you with different carriers to get you the best rate. And also, more than likely, those independent agents, they're going to be very seasoned, and they're going to be able to explain to you the policies, and they're not going to gut the policy. They're going to explain to you the value of everything that's included. And the roof part is very, very important that you have them detail it out and explain it to you.